Rhonda were sleeping from 1 to 3. They were sleeping for 2 hours. Jimmy and Larry were playing soccer from 3:30 to 6:30.
They were playing soccer for 3 hours.
The Lee family was
These peas are the best.
I agree. Pass them over.
There's plenty for everyone. It's been a lovely hour.
Grandma Lee was gardening from 3 to 4:30. She was gardening for an hour and a half. Suddenly, he felt a tug on his line.
I got one!
Everyone cheered as he proudly held up his fish. It was a warm, sunny afternoon. She put on her headphones and turned on her favorite radio station.
And soon, a shiny fish popped out of the lake.
I did it! I caught one!
It was another bright and sunny morning at the lake. Soon their game became faster and...
It was a bright and sunny day by the lake.
I'll build an even bigger one next time.
It was a bright and beautiful morning by the lake.
These are my treasures.